If you're trying to run your game and you get this error message, you'd say failed to load original Steam client with an error code which is 126. Now make sure to follow these instructions very carefully and I'll guide you on how to resolve this issue. Now mostly the error failed to load original Steam client error code 126 typically indicates that a game or application is trying to find a specific Steam file but can't access it. This often happens due to a missing DLL file or a conflict with your antivirus software. Now to fix this issue, check your antivirus protection history and restore files and add your game folder as an exclusion list. So if you're using Windows Defender just like me, make sure to open your Windows Defender by pressing Window plus I. Now also press Window plus I, select here on Privacy and Security, select here on Windows Security. Now on the Windows Security, just select here Virus and Threat Protection. And then you'll see Protection History. Now click on Protection History. Now you'll see here the recent items that were blocked by your Windows Defender. Now simply just click on any, for example, just look for the recent one. So look for the most recent, click on this drop down menu, click yes, and then you'll see an option here to restore that file. Now, I don't have the files that are blocked, but for you, you'll have to look on this section here. You'll see the list of items that were blocked by your Windows antivirus program on the protection history. Just click on the drop-down menu. You'll see an option here to restore that file. So if it's related to your game that you are trying to launch that is giving you this error message for error code 126, just click on the option to restore the file. So see an option here to restore the file, and it'll show also the game that is related to the item that you were blocked by the antivirus program. So make sure to select here restore. After restoring the file, then select here on the virus and the protection. Scroll down, select here on manage settings. Scroll down, you'll see an option here which is add or remove exclusions. So click on it, click yes, and then select add an exclusion. Select folder. Now make sure to browse to the folder for your game that you are trying to run. So make sure to browse to the folder for your game. For example, let's say you are trying to launch BMNG drive. You'll have to select this folder, select this folder. Also select this folder, your folder will be added as an exclusion so that next time when you try to launch the game, you'll no longer get the error message here. So you just need to restore the file from the protection history. After restoring the file, add the folder to an exclusion so that your antivirus program no longer deletes those files again. So follow the instructions and let me know in the comment section if it has helped you, and see you next time.